The first Pacific storm system of the season is heading our way. Already seeing a little bit of rain from that here in Kern County. Heavier rain expected late tonight and into tomorrow morning. Let's get into our weather headlines over the next 24 hours. Widespread soaking rain. Pretty much everyone here in Kern is going to be seeing some form of rain from this, and most of us are going to see good rain from this system. Will be a little bit of snow, primarily above 6,000 feet. So no snow over the passes, nothing like that. Not concerned with that. And behind the system, coolest weather in a very long time. It is definitely going to be feeling like fall, or maybe even a little bit more like winter with the temperatures as we head toward Tuesday. So again, a little bit of rain already falling here across Kern County, mainly light rain. This is just kind of some of the initial moisture. As you can see, those heavier bands of rain are still well off to our north and west. That's what's going to bring us the widespread rain as we head later into the night tonight. So let's take a look at that right now here with Futurecast. Watch those bands as they move in. Again, as we head later into the evening, still a little bit of light precipitation. I think really it's not until after midnight that this rain really gets going for us. Here in Bakersfield, I think the most likely time for arrival of those heavier rain bands would be about 2, 3 in the morning. So it's going to be late tonight when the bulk of that rain is moving in. But as you can see, even as we get into tomorrow morning, that rain is still working its way through Kern County. So tomorrow morning's commute, especially for eastern Kern, dealing with some areas of heavy rain. Remember to take it slow on the roads tomorrow morning. They're probably going to be fairly wet, fairly slippery into the afternoon hours. Most of the rain has cleared up, but with the cooler air in place, likely to see some pop-up showers, even some thunderstorms as this rain is moving in. And it is going to be a pretty substantial rain for us here in the valley, between about ½ inch to an inch of rain. So a good shot of rain for our first system. I'm thinking between about 3/4 of an inch to an 1.5 inches in our mountain area. So a little bit heavier rain there, and even ½ inch to an inch over in the desert. So again, good soaking rain for pretty much everyone here in Kern. There are some concerns with some of that rain. The National Weather Service has issued a flood watch for the Sierra Nevada foothills as well as our burn scar areas near the KRV. So some flooding possible there. Things like rock slides and debris flows. That'll be also possible. Rock slides through the canyon. Here in the valley, not expecting any widespread impacts really, but of course, low-lying and poor drainage areas. We could always see some minor flooding there. We're going to keep an eye out for reports of all of that. Through the night tonight, that rain is moving in. Could even see some thunderstorms in parts of Kern. Temperatures very cool tomorrow, 50s and 60s countywide. Let's get into your 7-day forecast here. 90% chance of rain for Tuesday. Most of that early in the day, Tuesday morning. 64 by Wednesday, and we're back into the 70s as we head toward Friday. And it does look like we could cool down again as we head into early next week. Another system dropping in. That could give us a couple raindrops too. We're going to keep an eye on that. But of course, the focus right now is on that rain that's going to be working its way through Kern County through the night tonight into tomorrow morning before we clear out for the rest of the week.